Wow, unbelievable. Hello, friends. Isn't technology amazing? I mean, when I was in my 20s, there was no such thing as a cell phone and a video camera on that phone. Anyway, so this video was recorded on my daughter's phone, and I was not able to get it from her until her and I were together again, and we had to go through this thing called QuickShare. Very interesting. Technology is amazing. Anyway, so this video was recorded the day after I got my car back. Remember, it was gone for 4 months. So when I got my car back, everything was put back together except for one thing, and that was the wheel well cover. Well, in order to put that on that car, I had to have the tire off. So my daughter came and met me at the shop, and she was going to put it on there. And she pulled that tire off, and as soon as she did, I saw that barrel and I went, oh my heavens, Lord have mercy, oh my gosh. That was nasty. So I got out the full strength LA Totally Awesome. Now, I just did some wiping on it. I didn't get too fancy with it. I just did some wiping. I also don't have wheel cleaner. The bug and tar remover I did try, but I removed it from the video, and it did nothing. It did nothing on that tar on that backside. But it cleaned up the rest of the tire. Now I have no choice but to get her back to the shop so we can pull the others off so they match. Oh, anyway, I was able to, because it was not attached to the car, just really dig in there and get her clean for the most part. And I was very happy with that. And I also think this is a service I would like to add. But first, I have to learn how to jack up a car and use an impact drill. So, you know how it goes. There's always a challenge. Anyway, thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys, while I clean my tire. And again, technology, amazing stuff. If you'll take a minute to hit that like button and comment, just leave me a little something. And you know what? Hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you. And until the next video, we'll see you later.